How to stream horizontally and vertically at the same time in OBS Studio. Hi, I'm Helen Santos, a support specialist at JMV Technology. If you stream to multiple platforms, you've likely noticed each has an ideal format. YouTube works best with horizontal, while TikTok and Instagram prefer vertical. In this video, I'll show you how to stream in both formats simultaneously in OBS Studio. If you're new to OBS, remember we offer a free comprehensive course. Scan the QR code. First, download the plugin. The link is in the video description. Click Go to Download and the file will download automatically. Install with OBS closed. When you open OBS, vertical streaming windows usually appear positioned. If not, go to Panels in the top menu, select Windows and arrange as desired. I'll assume you've set up horizontal mode. Now we'll focus on vertical mode. If you're unsure about horizontal setup, click the card for the full tutorial. It's crucial to set up horizontal mode before moving to vertical. To set up vertical streaming, click on that gear icon. In general, set screen resolution and audio bitrate. In streaming, configure your broadcast platform. Enter the name, server link, and stream key. Add more platforms by clicking the Add button. Below, set video bitrate based on quality and platform limits. Check this to stream both horizontally and vertically when you start OBS. Below, you can set hotkeys to start and stop streaming if desired. Click OK to apply the changes. To set up vertical stream sources, click the plus button in Vertical Sources and select the source type. Here you can add the same sources in horizontal mode or add different ones. In this window, you can customize the vertical screen layout as you prefer. To start streaming in both formats simultaneously, just click Start Streaming. Or, to start only in vertical mode, click this button. Remember, streaming in both formats on OBS requires a powerful PC and good internet. If your computer or internet lacks power, we have the ideal solution. Our service lets you send one stream, which we distribute to multiple platforms automatically. This saves resources and ensures professional quality for your live streams. Scan the QR code to see our plans. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and follow us for more content like this.